City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? Is this the start of something wonderful and new? Or one more dream that I cannot make true?
City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. They're in the bars or through the smokescreen of the crowded restaurants. It's love. Yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else.
A rush,
A glance,
a touch,
a dance,
look in somebody's eyes, to light up the skies, to open the world and send it reeling. A voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need's that crazy feeling, a rat-tat-tat on my heart. Think I want it to stay.